Reggae Vibes Media, your reggae and dancehall entertainment source. So you guys have merch. I'm seeing, what is Reggae Vibes Media about?
Reggae Vibes Media is about bringing the Jamaican culture and music to the diaspora and anywhere in the world, actually.
Yeah. So how long you been a part of Essence of Reggae?
Well, this is my first time here for Reggae Vibes. Yeah, I think the first time for Reggae Vibes Media.
So how has your first time been so far?
So far, we're just sitting in anticipation of what's to come, and hopefully we'll get some more people here to learn more about what we offer.
Yeah, what do you guys have to offer? Because I'm seeing a lot of things. I'm seeing merch. I'm seeing what if somebody don't know what Reggae Vibes Media, introduce yourself to the world.
Well, we are Reggae Vibes Media.
Yeah.
But we do have Reggae Vibes Music. There is Reggae Vibes Travel. There's Submit Tune, and there is Reggae Vibes Wear as well. It's a whole conglomerate of entities that working together to promote reggae music and spread the message of reggae, which is positivity and love.
So I see you guys collaborate with Dream Weekend with a discount code. So reggae, get your discount code.
And we interview artists and So
yeah, this is Cannabis Wiki. I want you to big up Cannabis Wiki.
Big up to Cannabis Wiki. Maybe we need to return the favor and interview you because we are a media host.
All right, interview me.
No, we need our mic.
Reggae Vibes Media. We're at Essence of Reggae.
Reggae Retreat.
So yeah, that's the next event they are planning. Look at that board. So I see you have Turbulence on it.
Yep. Turbulence is an artist that does quite a few songs with us. Sizzler as well.
So you guys produce music?
Yes. There it is.
I have a label also too.
It's a label as well. Yeah.
So where you guys located?
Riddim. We're based in New York, Atlanta, and Kingston, Jamaica.
Okay.
So the new Riddim that's coming out this week, Friday, is Natural Vibes Riddim.
Okay, you guys have a rhythm called Natural Vibes Rhythm coming out this Friday. So who is on the rhythm?
Who is on the Riddim? Turbulence, Ginger, Jacure, Pressure Bus Pipe, Power Man, some other guys. What's his name? Jay Shepherd. Quite a few people are on it. 10 artists. Busy Signal, how could I forget? Busy Signal is on the rhythm as well. Yeah, it's gonna be really good.
So you guys have a website like, what's that?
You can scan all the QR codes here. You get access to everything that we offer. And of course our business card is there.
All right, we're gonna take our business card. The new rhythm coming out. Okay, we're gonna give you our information for you to send us the new rhythm so we can feature it on Cannabis Wiki.
Reggae Vibes, bang! Yes or no? More on check out Cannabis Wiki on the YouTube channel. Zine, and remember to subscribe.
Zoom in for the QR code. Reggae Vibes Media, Cannabis Wiki is here. You understand me? I say. So we're gonna take one. Albert, take a business card for me there. So it's a new rhythm coming out. Alright. Take a business card. Yeah? Where was that concert?
Concert was in New York, in Brooklyn. Yeah, it was
Reggae Vibes Media, go on with things, man.
Pressure Bus Type. Kabaka Pyramid was there as well. Rough Top Rock Eye. Who else was on the show? I can't remember right now. I was in the
Reggae Vibes Media remind me of myself. You understand? That's how Cannabis Wiki, that's what we do. We host events, we produce music. You understand? I myself is a producer and a promoter. You understand? So Cannabis Wiki travel all over the world and we keep shows all over the world. And we endorse events all over the world. You understand? Cannabis Wiki and Reggae Vibes Media, we're going to produce a rhythm together.
Where are you in?
Kingston and Canada.
Bang! This is Powerman, and remember, it's all about my new song called Generation of Vipers on the Natural Vibes Rhythm. Reggae Vibes! Bang!
Right now, on the pagan, blaze the fire right now. Them a kill lady, them a kill baby, them a work for Satan, for chicken and gravy. Them a worship evil and a kill all people. From your work for the devil, them must be saved. Generation of vipers